going to discuss about the whole process of your job search process. So this resume has the most of all the six essential which we have discussed earlier. So there is your name, then your one-liner statement which you are delivering to the interviewers, the selection, the committee, and the job processing people. Then there is your this picture should be latest always, and then after here is your contact detail, then your one liner statement of your summary, and then your objective, then your key skills should be here, then here is your career professional synopsis. You have to mention here some detail, and after the detail this is your career graph. This is most one important portion. We will be detail it and discuss in detail how you have to prepare that. Then every section, every organization where you have to work, small responsibility level you have to mention here. Every level, whatever you did, whatever deliverable in the crux, you have to mention that here. Then it come into the experience and summary synopsis. You have to mention the detail here. Then the organization for which you have worked, whichever thing I have highlighted and that hide here, that is related to some personal information, and mostly that is like here, this is the organization for which I have worked, and then the same you have to incorporate here also. And then the detail you have to mention here. I have divided in the four section. So that first one is the strategic, then operational, then the representative, or then the administration level. If you don't want to divide it in such section, maybe some section you do not are doing such jobs, then you have to take care of three important things. You have to divide that the level of expertise, where first level where you are expert in your area. Second, then you are moderate, mostly mean you have knowledge of that, you have do that, you have done that one or two times, but you need some refreshing knowledge or support. Third one is learner, where you are learning, you can do that, you have knowledge about that, but practically you did not have done that till now. You need the support, you have more knowledge for that. Let's go to the next section. How you have to prepare this expertise resume. So we will be discussed in this section today. So what are the essential you have to take care while preparing our expertise resume based on our session, and in this class we are discussing. So the first or foremost thing you have to discuss about, you should know about to how to find the template, the best suited template for your resume. As we are discussing in this section, what is the most research and more interactive resume you will be learn here to prepare. You do not have to go anywhere, but if someone, because this is a very hectic job to write down a resume, so if someone want to go the template, they will be asked how to do that. So we will be discuss that here. The second step in your expertise resume template finalization, incorporation of that data, which data you have collected previous format, that data you have to incorporate in this template, that you will be go practically here. The next section, and there modify data as required, the as per the sixth essential. How you have to do, we will go for the practical session in that, how to do that, how you will be do that. The next step involved in the preparation of your most research expertise resume, that is the template draw. How to draw that, even though you can use that template available on the Google, how you have to do that we have previously learned about that, but most foremost we are using here the whole template. We are preparing it by self, and so that it can be most eye-catching, and all the detailed information you will be mentioned in your expertise resume. Let's go to the next step, that is the proofreading and check proof. You have to check when you have to prepare this template, and finally all the data has been incorporated in that, then you have to go for the proofreading, check the spelling and sentences, is there any mistake or not, because this will be show your quality, so you have to take that. Next step is the when you have to prepare all that it has been finally. So what you have to do, you have to create a PDF format for that, because when you apply for a job, you are submitting it on any portal. You do not have to submit the which copy, the docs copy. You have to submit that PDF, so no one can modify or change that, because I have taken copywriting on that and further going for the patent for that. The next one is keep a final draft with you. Keep a final draft with you, scare for the future modification. So these are the process involved in your expertise resume preparation. If you want to go for the next level of this expertise resume preparation and the job skill mastery, you can check out our digital platform. We teach there 6 or 7 processes how you can get closely to the your job search and job finalization. So let's have a look for how we have to work upon these sections. So first of all, we have to find the template for the your resume. So first we will go for the Google Docs. You can use, there is other resources also, where we in this section we will show first the Google Docs only, and then we are choosing much more tools. For that you have to check out our digital program, and our section is there where will be share that in the description. All about in this section for the day today, and then we will meet with you in the next class, where will be same, we will follow the same process of there is one theoretically a detailed section, what are the steps involved. Then second part of this session will be the practical session, how we do practically. Our mission and motto is to get the most of the advanced knowledge to you, to power up you, to charge you, to aggressively make you to grab that one job which are looking for you. For that you have to prepare, you have to follow all these steps, and you have to follow this one of the approach PDCA, and always follow through this approach everywhere. You will not be failed anywhere. So this is all about in this session today. I'm ending it here. So see you in the next session, which will be based on the two portion. One is here the theoretically reading and the involving of the step, and second one practically doing all those steps are there. So see you in the next section or next class. Till then, bye bye. Best wishes for you to getting in your job very quickly, and thank you so much.